Tutulungan ko siya.
Listen, the guy asked a group of girls on the street, "Hey girls, what are you doing here?" They said, "No, nothing. Why? Why you are not in the kitchen?" That's good.
Tulungan ko siya kasi dumadakdak. I said I will help you if you talk too much. Nah, I will help you, no?
You have to,
Why?
because you're my wife. One should help the husband. That's
Yeah.
good.
Kasi pagka tinatamad akong kumilos, hindi ako makakilos dahil pagka matigas yung tiyan ko, medyo mababa yung baby, hindi ako kikilos. Yan. Tapos siya yung kikilos. Naintindihan niya naman. Minsan naman, may time na talagang nagtatamad-tamaran ako.
If there is just everything, groceries.
So guys, see you later. Pagka ginawa niya yung dishwasher, ipapakita ko sa inyo. See you.
This is an absolutely no-go. You have to change it. That is not good.
Ito yung, yung ilalim ng sink. Na
It's
under the
also
sink.
rubbish. Look, you did not screw it. Nothing.
So,
That's
ayan.
First, you have to unplug the power. And here we have to change to this. So then, have to open. Have to remove all the baskets.
Ayan yung dishwasher. More than 10 years na siya. Ayan lang nagka-problema.
Here you see two screws. You have to remove these screws. That is the only screws to keep tight the dishwasher. Keep it in place. Here see the water. That is an old one. It is outside, but the safe place is inside. That means the whole water drain is inside the machine. So, we have to remove the wooden socket here. That is already all to release dishwasher. I'm gonna check it. Is there nothing disturbing anymore? Open the door, and then we pull the whole dishwasher out.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh.
Now you have to give me the pipes there. But there's nothing. You have the drain and you have the water. So now you have to close the water here, it's better. This you have to do sometimes, no? Sometimes you have to close and open this, because if not, you'll have the problem that you cannot properly close it anymore. And the power cord too. So, and finally we have the water drain we can clean here too now. We have now the possibility to clean. This is the water drain. There's always water inside. Be careful when you remove it. It will get mess. But we have to remove it because when I have to remove the pump, all the water will drain out. So we need something to catch the water. To bring something to
And it's still
the water.
Okay.
Hmm?
It's okay.
Yeah, because it will drain another. That's the ball. Yeah.
This one. This.
Yes. So I need you anyway now to remove all the drain here. Deepest point. Wait, connected the. Keep
Hold it.
Connected ones. Hold it. Okay.
Empty. No, not empty. You have to do it like this.
But you cannot. You can move it. There's one too. See?
This is the water bag.
The water gets. This water gets used to cool this side to introduce the condensation while the drying process. But for that can dry, that condense, you need to have first a pump on the
This
heater.
one is
Moves.
bigger. The other one.
Yeah, because this is to the condensation only, and this is for the condensation and for the water dosage.
It has big.
There's some.
Outside.
You can see there's some. There's some flows for the pressure reducing and stuff like that for the dosage. Because this is a special one, he just needs 5 liter water for one washing. And he will recover the
Recycle.
water, filter it,
Yeah, recycle the water.
yeah, and save it in this bag then. Just for later for the drying process, you need some fresh cold water. So. But still no access to the pump. Let's see here. There's the electronica here, I see the pump.
You see the pump?
Yeah. But how to access this? There's the pump.
Yan guys, natanggal na lahat yung cover nito sa gilid, mga gilid-gilid niya, no? So, titignan natin kung ma-repair ito ng aking asawa. So, see you next time guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, at comment down below. So, see you next time. Bye-bye!